So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if the function keys are not directly working on your laptop, like the volume up button, volume down button, or the brightness up down button, or anything like that. Now, in order to fix that, just simply press function key on your keyboard, press and hold it, and press escape. Now, what it does, it says that normal functions key. That means it will work only when you press and hold the function option, and then you click on the keys like brightness up down, or just simply again press the function key again and click escape on the keyboard, and you'll see that the locked function key. That means it will directly act as the function key has been logged in, so that if I just simply increase the brightness, I don't need to press and hold the function key. So by this method you can easily switch in between them and solve the issue if it's not working. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.